Good morning everyone, it's NoyTebs again here. So again, today we're going to do unboxing the LED lights. And again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified if I have a new video uploaded on my channel. Let's get started! So there you go guys, so I have here the LED Grove LED lights from Grove, and they have a 32.8 feet, and we'll see. And again, I just got this one for about $72 Canadian. It's really good. We will see. Okay, so, ta-dang! Like it, share it. So they have this one here, and they have some user manuals here, how to operate the LED. And then they have some instructions how to cut when they do some curves or something. So they have some instructions, beautiful instructions here. So there you go. Again, so they have it's a strip. What's that? It's a adhesive tape at the back, and nice one. We're gonna try this later, and then what we're gonna do now is just unboxing, and then I have another 32 feet here. So again, there's 32 feet of LED. So what's in the box? So again, they have this an alcohol to wipe the sidewalls before you put your lighting, and they have some 3M. I think this is how. Well, again, for if you need it, but we'll see on this one. And they have some more. And they have some more. They have some more. And they have some 4 screws. And they have some. They have the cord for the, and then this is the what's that, like a receiver kind of. So here's your connector, or you do for a remote, and then this is your line, AC line, and then you have here 2 cords for your one 32 feet and the other one 32 feet. So there's 2 of them. So I tried to research this, and according to the manufacturing, you are not allowed to connect the whole 72 in just one line because of the power supply issue. So that is why they are separated, and you have to do other way for 32, do other way for your 32, and then meet up in the middle, and then that's it. Then they have here a power adapter, and this is 100 240 volts, so it will work on 220. There. So you have to put this one in, and then plug it in the wall, and this one will be plug it on here, and then from there your LEDs. Okay, lastly, they have it a remote. You have a remote here, and nice. And we have to take this one out, the plastic. We have to take this one out, and then so that the battery will be turning on. Or if it's low battery already, you just take this one out and then change the battery for replacement. Okay, so again, this light is gonna be, I'm gonna install this one on my daughter's room, and after that I'm gonna show it to you how I did it, and then that's about it. But again, for the price, it's really okay. Okay, so ready everyone? There you go. So again, the only tricky part here is that how to install your, for the start one. When you install for the first one, where you're gonna start, that's the tricky part. But again, that is the receiver and goes to the power cord down, and you can change whatever color you like. There you go. Beautiful. So nice. Nice one. Nice. Okie dokie. Okay, so we already done, and again we saw it, the LED lights on the ceiling of my daughter's room, and it was good. I like it. It's so bright, and you can adjust whatever color you like. And yeah, again, thank you so much. It's not a sponsored vlog, but again, thank you so much for the product. It's really good. If you are new in my channel, please don't forget to like and give some thumbs up. Thank you so much, guys. This is NoyTebs. God bless everyone.